Alright, so this is the video on how to graph question number 7, 8, and 9, okay, from your target 12D notes, day 1. Okay, so if you watched the video already, you know I skipped those 3 problems because I needed to show you how to graph it. Alright, so you're gonna open your TI-Nspire, okay, and you're gonna go to add graphs. Pretty easy, okay. And I'm gonna do number 7 right now. So I'm gonna do x to the power of 2, right? And remember, I don't want that to be on top, so you need to move it to the side. And then you keep going. Minus 3x plus 7, okay. Once you have your equation, you press enter, and you see your graph right there, okay. I'm not really going to do anything much yet, okay. Now I'm going to double click anywhere in the graph, double click, and you see F2. That means that we're going to write my second equation. I have x plus 4, and I press enter, and there you go. I have my 2 lines. Obviously, I can't see, okay, but I'm going to go to menu, and I'm going to zoom out just one time. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to press my escape button, which is right here in the corner. And once you have the graph, you go back to your notes and just tell me how many solutions are there, okay? So obviously we have 2 solutions. There's 2 solutions in there. And we're going to go to menu. We're going to go to trace, analyze graph, and we're going to go to the intersection. Oops. All right, so then I'm going to click, highlight the part, click again. And it's the same thing we learned when we were trying to find the zeros, and I believe case 11A. When we're trying to find the zeros, it's the same thing. You go to menu, analyze graph. Now we're doing intersections because we want to know where the 2 lines intersect. And the same highlight dash line comes up. You click on one side, you click on the other side. So there you go. My 2 answers for that is 2 solutions at 1, 5, and the next one is at 3, 7. That's how you graph, and then that's how you find your solutions. All right. Once you're done with that one, you should try the next one. So we'll try the next one together. So I'm going to go to File, New Document, and I'm not going to save it. Again, I'm adding a graph. Now I'm going to do the second one, so number 8. So x to the power of 2. And again, I move it to the side because I don't want to work on my exponents anymore. And I have 4x minus 1. I press enter. I have my graph. I double click anywhere on the graph, right? On the Windows graph. Okay. And there you go. I have my second equation. Okay. And I'm going to write -1 because that's all it is. There you go. And I have my 2 intersections. So that means I know I have 2 solutions. And don't forget, you have to find my coordinate point. So then it's going to go to menu, analyze graph, and intersection. Gonna click. Oops, what happened? And I moved my line. There you go. Click, click. I think I moved my line. So let me try this real quick again. So that's what happens when you try to set the dash line close to the lines that they gave us. So the ones on your graph. So try to make sure you're not pressing on the line, because then you're gonna have to start all over again. Alright, so then I have my line, I gotta do the other line, and then I have -1. Alright, then I go to menu, trace, or intersection. I'm gonna go over here. There you go, you see, I moved the line on the other one. So there you go, my first solution is at 0.0 and -1. And I'm gonna do the same thing, analyze graph, intersection, and I'm gonna go to this side. And the next one's -4 and -1. And that's it. That's all you do for the graphing part. So let's try. So try doing the next one. And you can pause the video, Okay, so you make sure you know how to do it on your own and then check your answer with the video. So I'm gonna still do it, but I suggest that you try it on your own. So, okay, so stop the video, try it on your own, and then come back and check your answers. Oh, and FYI, if you don't have this calculator on the left side, this is how you have it. It's supposed to be right here. So maybe some of you guys are in an empty space, or maybe on this one, the calculator is right there, okay? So add a graph. Again, you're trying this on your own first, hopefully. And then x to the power 2 minus 2x minus 3. I press enter, then I do double click on the screen to do the next one, and I have 2x minus 6. All right, and again, I have two solutions. To find those two solutions, I go to menu, analyze graph, intersection, click, that's one. Then you have to do it again for the next one. Oops, you see? And then I click, so it's 1 and -4. Obviously, you're gonna see how many times you have to do this. Obviously, if there's two solutions, you have to do this twice. If there's only one, you only have to do it one time. And obviously, if their lines are not crossing, you don't have to even find the intersection. So you know it's gonna have no solution. So this is how you graph it. This is your answer for number 9. 3 and 0 and 1 and -4. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, don't forget to ask your teachers.